You've seen how you can discover insights in your data by creating reports and visuals to analyze and visualize the data. But there's another way that we allow you to discover insights in your data with just the click of a button. In the product, whenever you have a new data set that you want to discover insights on, you can open the contextual menu for that data set and click Quick Insights. Now what we're doing is we're using machine learning algorithms to find insights within your data. So for about 12 to 15 seconds, we will continue to search for insights using these different algorithms, and we're going to gather them all together on a page. Now the insights are ready, so I can click View Insights. I can also, anytime I want, also access those insights back on this contextual menu. Now on this page, you'll see a list of all of the insights that we gathered while looking through the data set. So for example, I can see that we sold the majority of units within the US. And of course, that also means that the US accounts for the majority of our revenue. We also be able to see things like outliers, or for example, Van Arsdale has noticeably less year-to-date sales variance compared to the other manufacturers. And so anytime you find insight that is really interesting to you, such as the fact that Van Arsdale has noticeably more revenue, I can click the pin icon and pin that to a dashboard just like I can from a report. I can pick an existing dashboard, create a new dashboard, and pin that visual to it. I can also open that visual to get a better view of it. And from here, I can, again, pin it right from here, or if I want, I can adjust the filters being used in this visual to get a better view of what I'm looking for. Your data set is not the only place that you can get quick insights from. If we go back to the dashboard, I can also get a better view of insights for a particular visual by going into focus mode. From here, you see a button called Get Insights. When you click on this, it will do two things. One, it will show you a summary of some of the data from this chart. So I'll be able to see, since this chart shows revenue and units by products, I can see for revenue, the min and max value, and also for units, the min and max value. It also runs those same machine learning algorithms that were used in the data set, Quick Insights, to find quick insights specifically on the fields being used in here. So it will only show me insights for revenue and units and products. And if I had any filters applied to this visual, those filters would be applied to these insights as well. And then from here, I can just scroll through and see all the insights, such as convenience accounts for the majority of units, where the manufacturer is Van Arsdale. However, I also can see that moderation accounts for the majority of revenue for the Van Arsdale manufacturer. And just like the quick insights from the data sets, I can click this visual and make it bigger. From here, I can also re-click Quick Insights, and it will re-go through the machine learning algorithms and find even more insights specifically for this visual. And so this gives you a good way to look at a visual, find insights on it, find an interesting insight, and then dig even deeper and deeper. And then from here, whenever any insights you want, of course, you can pin it and be able to look back on it later on your dashboard. So this provides a really easy way for you to find insights in your data without having to go through the work of creating reports and analyzing it yourself.